So, you're planning to retire and your big plan is, drumroll please, living solely on Social Security. That's like going on a cross-country road trip with a car that's running on fumes. Spoiler alert, it's not going to end well. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most common and potentially disastrous retirement planning mistakes made by DIY planners, relying solely on Social Security. We'll cover why Social Security was never meant to be your sole financial lifeline, the risks of putting all your eggs in that basket, and strategies to make sure you don't end up eating instant noodles in your golden years. Unless you love instant noodles, of course. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Trust me, they'll thank you later, probably when they're not living in their kid's basement. All right, let's jump in. Let's start with some cold, hard facts. The average monthly Social Security benefit as of today is around $1,800. That's about $21,600 a year. Let me ask you, how far does $21,600 stretch these days? Social Security was never designed to fully replace your income. It was meant to supplement your savings, pensions, and other retirement income. Basically, it's the side dish, not the entree. Factor in inflation. Social Security does offer cost of living adjustments, but they rarely keep pace with real inflation, especially in areas like healthcare. Here's the thing. If your plan is to rely on Social Security alone, you're essentially gambling that. You'll have no unexpected expenses. You'll stay healthy forever. You'll enjoy a very minimalist lifestyle. And let's be honest, life is rarely that predictable. Let's talk about the risks you're taking if Social Security is your only game plan. Cuts to Social Security. The Social Security Trust Fund is projected to be depleted by the mid-2030s. Inflation erosion, healthcare costs, groceries, and even your Netflix subscription are going to cost more over time. Social Security's adjustments won't cover it all. Longevity risk. If you live 20, 30, or even 40 years in retirement, do you really think $1,800 a month will cut it? No cushion for emergencies. A medical crisis, home repair, or other unexpected expenses can throw your entire budget into chaos. Let's do some quick math. If your annual expenses are $40,000 and Social Security covers $21,600, you've got an $18,400 gap. Where's that coming from? Magic? Lottery tickets? Yeah, probably not. Okay, enough with the doom and gloom. Let's talk solutions. Here's how you can avoid relying solely on Social Security. Start early, save often. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. A 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA can work wonders. Diversify your income streams. Think beyond Social Security. Add pensions, investments, rental income, or even part-time work to the mix. Delay Social Security. If you can wait until age 70 to start collecting, your monthly benefit increases significantly. Think of it as the ultimate wait-for-it moment. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. These can provide a steady stream of income in retirement. Reduce expenses. Downsizing your home or moving to a lower cost of living area can help close the gap. Consider annuities. Annuities can provide guaranteed income. The goal is to create a retirement plan that's a symphony of income streams, not a solo performance. Trust me, symphonies sound way better. Way. Let's talk about two retirees. Retiree number one, Susan, the sole relying senior. Susan thought Social Security would be enough. She retired at 65 and quickly realized she was barely scraping by. She ended up moving in with her daughter and picking up part-time work just to make ends meet. Retiree number two, financially flexible Frank. Frank built a diversified retirement plan. He delayed Social Security until 70, invested in a rental property, and had a well-funded 401k. At 80, Frank's traveling the world and spoiling his grandkids. Be like Frank, not Susan. Now let's talk about tools that can help. Retirement calculators. Use these to see how much you'll need to save. Budgeting apps. Track your expenses to identify areas to cut back. Financial advisors. A pro can help you map out a realistic plan. Books and podcasts. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, and don't forget to review your plan annually. Life changes, and so should your strategy. All right, here's the bottom line. Social Security is a great safety net, but it's not a hammock. You need to build a financial plan that ensures you'll have enough to live comfortably no matter how long you live or what surprises come your way. If this video opened your eyes to the importance of diversified retirement planning, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and share it with someone you know who might be making this common mistake. Remember, the best retirement plan is one that doesn't just get you to retirement, but carries you through it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more tips to make your golden years truly golden.